Let's do Euro top-down analysis, Euro US. I'm looking at the hourly, and I see an uptrend, and it gets weaker. Here we have some sideways move, and at one point it bounced off the sell indicator. This is a very important level. Nothing I can see here to tell me what is the new direction. So let me increase the view, see if we got anything that give us a clue. From the past, of course, these power lines are too many. We can decrease them. Let me just decrease them. Power lines, decreasing them, it's easy. If you want to see power lines, you want to just basically reduce you want to reduce the ones that are not valid anymore. For example, 50 ticks breach is big. Let's do 15 and apply, or say OK, and see what happens. Reduced, no, not really. Studies, we go back to power lines, reduce them to 10. That's enough. Meaning if a power line is breached by more than 10 ticks and the candle is closed 10 ticks above it or below it, it should go. Now we're looking at a longer term on Euro US, and I see lines that I plotted from before, and you see the top line coincided with the resistance, and for some reason I had boxes here plotted as well. So this one of the boxes here, it seems like it held up, but it looks like from this we can go higher again because of how it behaved. You see this? We had multiple touches here, so it looks like it wants to go up, and since it's a longer term uptrend, we have a level to worry about. If you are shorting the market or if you're waiting for a support, this area will be relevant to our next level. See this area. Why is that? It's because of the volume profile. We have also power lines that could give us that indication. Of course, this whole area in the middle could mean support as well. The market could bounce off from anywhere here. It's possible, but we have to look at it when the price comes to that level. And if I plot a Fibonacci level, let's say from this low looks very stable since it has also a power line associated with it. From the bottom to top, I see something closer here, closer to the line, and if I plot it from this bottom here, I also see, so this whole area, it's associated with the 62% retracement, which is valid for support. Now when we get to these levels, simply we look at smaller terms, smaller charts, and decide on the stop losses then. So let me mark it, and let's see how it goes when the time comes. Again, this is your top-down analysis for trading. You should be doing this every time. One of the things that you need to be aware of is that if the price goes well into this area here, you need to let it go. You need to maybe look at a different support. But once if we get into this area and bounce back, then there's a chance that the market might, or the euro might go back up. So basically, this is an example of my analysis before I set up for trading. I would do this analysis, look at long term, short term, and make decisions on the levels. Again, this is anticipation only, nothing else. Confirmation has to be there before you start trading.